Python. It's everywhere from Google to Netflix to NASA. Yep, even NASA. In just a few minutes, I'll get you from zero to coding in Python. Ready? Let's dive. Python Essentials coming up. We're covering variables, data types, operators, lists, loops, functions, conditionals, and finally, building a quick program to pull it all together. Starting with code? It's a jungle. Tutorials, forums, concepts, info overload. Today, I'm slicing through that clutter. This isn't a full course, it's the essentials. Variables, your storage boxes for data. You label them, toss in values, and pull them out whenever. Think of them as containers for storing whatever your code needs. We've named our boxes names and age, storing Alice and 25 respectively. Print shows what's inside. A quick note, choose clear names. Keep things organized, it pays off later. Data types tell Python the kind of data you're dealing with. There's str for text, int for integers, float for decimals, and bool for true, false. Python adjusts how it handles each. Here, name is a string, str, age is an integer, int, height is a float, float, and his student is a boolean, bool. Each type serves a unique purpose. Try to use the right type for the right situation. Operators, tools for calculations, comparisons, and assignments. Arithmetic operators like handle basic math. There are comparison operators too, like to check equality or difference. Lists hold collections of items. Flexible and dynamic, they store multiple values in one variable. You can add, remove, access, modify. Lists are workhorses in Python. Lists are indexed, so fruit 0 gives you the first item, apple. Append adds items to the end. While insert lets you place an item wherever you like. Remove deletes specific items. Sort arranges items in order. And reverse flips the order entirely. Mastering these methods unlocks a ton of flexibility. Loops repeat code. For loops, step through items, while loops keep going until a condition changes. They automate repetitive tasks, making code cleaner. A for loop iterates through each item in fruits. While loops keep running until a condition changes. In this case, until count hits 3. Loops let you efficiently handle repetitive tasks without repeating code. Functions bundle code into reusable pieces. Define it once, call it anywhere. They help you organize and simplify complex tasks. In Greet, we define a reusable function that takes a name and returns a greeting. Functions can take multiple inputs, perform actions, and even return results. Think of them as mini programs inside your program. Conditionals make decisions in your code. If, elif, and else help you control flow. Do this if true, that if false. They're key to dynamic responsive programs. If checks if the condition is true. If it isn't, Python moves to elif, another condition. Else catches anything that doesn't meet the other conditions. This structure lets you guide your program's flow. Let's pull it together into a basic program. This will ask for your name, check your age, and provide a customized response based on the input. This uses input to get the user's name and age. We convert age to an integer with int for comparison. Then, with conditions, we tailor the response based on age. Let's quickly recap: variables, data types, operators, lists, loops, functions, conditionals, plus a simple interactive program. With these essentials, you're ready to dive into Python's real power. How did your first Python code go? Comment below, subscribe, and stick around. Next up, we'll dive even deeper. Let's master Python together!